Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing this unboxing of a cute letter I got from one of my new pen pals. Emma sent me this gorgeous package and I'm obsessed. I had to share it with you guys before I took it all apart because it is absolutely stunning. First of all, I think she made most of it using Felicity Jane stuff. These papers look like Felicity Jane, definitely this girl, probably all of this stuff. It's so pretty. I love this little pine tree light blue paper here. There's white sewing around the edges, white pom-pom trim, and it looks like this is a loaded gift bag that she put a pocket on the front of. So super cute. It's also got a pocket on the back. Here you can get a better look at what the pocket looks like. You see how you can put stuff down there. And then you have the gift bag up here. Such a cool idea. I love taking these kinds of things apart when I get them in the mail so I can learn how to make something like that. Because I have a lot of super creative pen pals and they are always inspiring me to make really beautiful stuff. So let's get started with unpacking this letter from Emma. So we've got a glossine bag here, always good for layering on projects. We've got some different little cards here. It looks like they're slightly smaller than 3x4, probably for those 8.5 by 11 card trading inserts, if you know those. People make pocket letters with them usually. Super cute. Loving all these colors. I love how it's like subtly going into winter. Like it's got the blue and the light pink and the white and the pine trees and the little fluffy hat, but it's not like overtly Christmas in your face. And I love Christmas, but winter is really beautiful too. And then there's this cute little bow paper clip. I love this. It's got this great gingham. And then unloading this here. So much stuff inside. And then on the back, she included these really pretty glittered die cut feathers here. Those are going to be great for a project. Inside, we've got this little envelope here, and there's nothing written on the front. Oh, there's die cuts inside. Cool. Let me see if I can get these out to show you guys. And she loaded this thing with die cuts. Super cute. And I kind of love how there's nothing written on there because then I can reuse that. Like I could slip that into my one of my winter projects. Here are some of the little die cuts. Ooh, I'm so glad she included one of those girls. I love that girl. And this just confirms that I need to buy some digital collections from Felicity Jane. If you don't know, I am a big advocate for digital collections. I love them. I create digital project life cards myself. I have an Etsy shop where I sell them. I'll link that down below if you're interested in it. And I just love that with digital collections, you can resize things. Like see these 3 different sizes of the winter girl here? You can resize it, you can print it as much as you want, you can gift a couple to a pen pal. Super cool. Love these. Really cute. And I love how it matches all of this because I'm obsessed with this up here. So if I wanted to make something like that in a scrapbooking layout, I could. Then there's this beautiful tag here. Love those colors. We've got a sheet of labels here. I don't know where these are from, but the colors kind of remind me of me and my big ideas. That's super bright and colorful. And a lot of this gold will be good for making labels at Christmas time. Another thing of labels here, we've got a ton of cat stickers. If you don't know, I am obsessed with cats. These are super cute. I especially love the calico one down here and the white one up here. I always imagined if I was going to get another cat, it would be a fluffy white cat. But alas, my partner said no more cats for us. And then we've got this sticker sheet here. I've never heard of this brand. I'm wondering, maybe it's not sold in the United States because she's an international pen pal. Love these. I super love the bees. I have a friend that's obsessed with bees too right now. Really cute. Oh, and that says happy birthday, honey. You're beautiful. It's cute. And that's actually awesome because my birthday is in a month. And then we've got some more label stickers here. I love how these colors kind of coordinate with the pink and the light blue over here, and then the orange and the tag. And then lots of this really gorgeous gift wrap paper here with the silver foil on it. I love it. And then of course the best part of any package is the letter. All of my pen pals know that the letter writing part is super important to me. I love getting to know my pen pals and having a close relationship with them. It's about more than just the pretty mail, but actually fostering a friendship. And then she wrapped it with this doily and this cute little bunny paperclip. How cute is that? This is a thick letter. 1, 2, 3 pages. That is the kind of pen pal letter I love. So here we go. This is an unboxing of my happy mail from Emma. And if you want to check her out on Instagram, her Instagram handle is Project Sparkle. Super cute. I will link that down below, and I'll also link my Project Life shop if you're interested in seeing my digital collections. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to give this one a thumbs up, comment down below, and encourage Emma. She's been trying to grow her Instagram and her YouTube channel, and she would love all of the compliments on her gorgeous mail. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!